Identify the words according to the given clues. Then form the mystery word out of the letters in the circles. The mystery word is hurricane. A hurricane is a tropical cyclone in the North Atlantic and Western Pacific. How are tropical cyclones formed? The air absorbs heat from the burning candle. The smoke rises because the air becomes lighter. The air above the ice cubes gives off heat. Therefore, it becomes cool and heavy, so it moves downward. Wind is the movement of air due to differences in temperature. When warm air rises, it produces an area of low pressure. Cooler, denser air produces an area of high pressure. Warm air rises since it is lighter, and cold air sinks since it is heavy. This is known as convection current. When do strong winds occur? Strong winds occur when there is a great difference in pressure and temperature between a mass of cold air and a mass of warm air. The wind blows from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. High pressure wind will move in a clockwise direction spirally outward in the northern hemisphere. It will move toward the center of a low pressure area in a counterclockwise direction. A tropical cyclone will form when the pressure at the center of the low pressure area continues to decrease. What are tropical cyclones? Tropical cyclones are violent weather disturbances. Do we have these in the Philippines? Guess how the different countries name tropical cyclones.
Hurricane,
Typhoon,
Cyclone, Typhoon.
Why do we have so many typhoons in the Philippines? Typhoons in the Philippines are formed in the tropics over the Pacific Ocean and in the South China Sea from June to November. During these months, our country receives a high amount of heat from the sun. Warm, moist air is formed above the ocean water due to rapid evaporation that occurs in large amounts. The large amount of cold air moves and pushes the lighter warm air upward, thus causing the whirling storm. Classifications of tropical cyclones.
depression, storm, typhoon,
A typhoon has an eye in the center. In this area, there is very light wind and no rain. The diameter ranges from 10 to 100 kilometers. Around the eye are strong winds blowing in a counterclockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. Every one of us has experienced typhoons. I want you to write a poem that describes your experiences about it in the form of Jamante Poetry. You will work as a group. What is Jamante Poetry? Jamante Poetry is a diamond-shaped poem using the pattern given below. That's it for this lesson. See you again soon.